Audio levels are monitored using the individual meters at the far right of the timeline. There is no scale on the meters because they can be customised, but the default is that the top of the green is set to -18 dB, which is equivalent to ppm 4. The red and green boxes at the far right of the audio tracks allow individual tracks to be muted using the red boxes or monitored solo using the green boxes. As with floating clips, the track output patching on the timeline, which is accessed by dragging the V1 track filter to the right, is more important than which tracks the audio is placed on. The default is track 1 to channel 1, 2 to 2, and so on. This can be changed by clicking on the pale blue scrolling box and selecting an alternative output. For a mixed output to left and right speakers, click and scroll to all tracks out to channels 1 and 2. The number of output channels will affect how many output bars appear on the monitor at the far right of the timeline. If only one output is set, only one bar will appear. If there are two outputs, there will be 2 bars, and so on. There is a second hidden audio menu at the other end of the timeline. Click and drag one of the mute or solo buttons left towards the middle of the timeline to reveal this menu. For each track there are 3 vertical bars, known as faders. The first will adjust the segment level the cursor is currently on, either while playing or while stationary. You can also type in the required level to the green dB box next to the fader. The second green fader controls the level of the whole track, not just one segment. The third fader controls the size of the waveform scale on each track, but does not change the levels, only the graphical display. There are also some advanced audio features hidden in this menu. If a track is set to output to 2 channels, the panning box will turn white, enabling the white line in the center to be dragged left or right to control the panning on a segment-by-segment basis. Click on the white diagonal line next to the track fader to reveal a compressor. The values in the dials can be controlled by clicking and dragging. Use clear and the cross in the top right-hand corner to reset and close the menu. Full details of what each dial does can be found in the manuals. Each track also has a 3-band graphic equalizer, controlled using the graph display, and again these details can be found in the manuals should you need to use this feature.